Going to demonstrate the adductor stretch and how the spine rotation fits into the adductors. So the adductor tissues from the adductors come across the front of the hips, front of the pubis, across into your obliques and into spine rotation, pulls into your opposite adductors. So that tissue carries on, connective tissue carries on across there, down the leg. So we can stretch that right through that, but we get a lot of tension through this area, through the hips. So we can stretch that. Stood up straight, legs as wide as you can, knees straight, feet pointing forwards. We're going to bend forwards, hands touching the floor if you can, just go as far as you can comfortably, and then push your bum backwards and you'll feel the stretch at the hamstrings and the inside of the legs. So the back of the legs and the inside of the legs, the hamstrings and the adductors. And then we sit up and we push the hips forwards. So we're now getting into the hip flexors and the adductors, so the front of the hips and the inside of the legs. So do that, bend forwards, push back, hold for a couple of seconds, stand up, hips forwards, squeeze your glutes tight as you push forwards, get the stretch at the front. Demonstrate that from the side, legs wide, bend forwards and then push back to feel the stretch at the back of the hips and into the inside of the legs. Lift up, push forwards to get the front of the hips and the inside of the legs. Good. From there we then bring the spine into this, so legs again same position, and we're just going to stand up straight, cross the arms over and twist. Now we're twisting and we're stretching into this side of the spine, these are obliques, into this adductor. So we're stretching that rotation right through the front of the pelvis and the front of the hips across into the opposite adductor. Then we're going to swap over and rotate the other way and do this oblique and this adductor. So we're stretching through that spine rotation and into the inside of the legs. Hold for 2 seconds, back through the movement. Hold for 2 seconds, back through the movement. Now we can also do the side and into the opposite hip. So if you put your arm straight up above your head, arm touching your ear or as near as possible, and we're going to stretch over and reach as far over your head as you can, and you'll feel the stretch down this side and into your opposite adductor. We're going to swap over, arm straight up, stretch over, stretching down here and into your opposite adductor. Good. We can then repeat the exercise as many stretches as we need to.